Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to create your Google slide about your favorite animal. So first of all, you'll go to your Google Drive. You can access your Google Drive through the little waffle right here, your Google Drive. Once you're in your Google Drive, you'll click on New and you'll go find Google Slide. So you want a new Google Slide because you'll create it from scratch. Create and share. This way, your Google Slides will be in your own folder, in your own Google Drive. The first thing I'll do is put a title to this presentation by clicking right here. My favorite animal. That's the first thing I'll do. Then, one thing that I can do to make the presentation more beautiful but easy, you can come in themes right here and choose a theme that you like to create your presentation. So I'll click on this one called Pup. So this will be the theme for my presentation. So my favorite animal is the fox, so I'll write the fox and I'll write my name right here. So that's the first thing I will do. Then I would like to add a second slide, but because I chose a theme, I'll come right here where you see the little plus sign. If I click on new slide, I'll have an empty slide. But if I click on the little triangle right here, I'll see all the templates available for my next slides. I think I'll choose this one for now. So this is my second slide. On my second slide, I'll put the name of my animal again. So mine is the fennec fox. Exactly. This box here I don't need, so I can just delete it if I want to. Here I'd like to put a picture of the animal. So what I'll do is I'll go in Insert, Image, search the web. So when I search the web through Google Images, through my Google Slides, the image that will come out are images that are free of rights. So they're images that I can use without a problem. So I'll look for images of my animal right here. Enter. So this one is cute. So I clicked on it and then I have insert right here. I'll show you another trick that I'd like you to do in your Google slide. So my picture here is a square, and to make my presentation a bit more beautiful, I'd like to shape it in a circle. So I'll click on my picture and then you'll see this little crop image icon appearing. So click on the little triangle right next to it and you'll see the shapes you can cut your image into. So I'll click on the oval right here. So you see now I have a beautiful oval picture of my fox. So this is my second page. On the third page, I'll come here and add maybe this one right here. So another slide. And here you'll have to write information about your animal. So information about the fox. So I have my information ready that I had ready in another document. So now I want to have a text box because I don't have one here. So I'll just click on the little TT right here. Sorry, there. And put my text box where I want it. I have my text already. I have 5 information. That's what you'll have to put as well. 5 information about your animal. There you go. So I have my 5 information right here. Now, I don't really like the font because I think it's really difficult to read. So I select my text. And right here, you see there are many different fonts that you can use to make your text easier to read. So I'll click on this one. Also, I think my text right now is really all put together. So I'd like it to have a little more spaces between the lines. So once again, I'll select my text. And if you go right here where there are three little dots, you have the option here, line and paragraph spacing right here. So I'd like this to be, I'll try 1.5. So I think 1.5 makes sense. Also, for me, it would be more beautiful if I had numbers in front of all the five different information. So again, by clicking on the three little dots right here, I can come and pick a number list. There you go. So now I have my text is 1, 2, 5. So that's prettier. One more thing I would like to insert in here is an animated GIF. So just like we did for the image, if you click on Insert Image, you'll have one option called Gifts and Stickers. So if you click on it, you write the name of your animal again. Woohoo! So you see, I have little animated GIFs that I can put in here. So that's beautiful. I'll make it smaller because otherwise my text will be hidden. There you go. So there it is. Next, I want to have another slide. And in this slide, I would like to write a question for my partner. My partner will answer questions about my animal, about what I have written on slide 3. Question about my animal. So what I'll put here, I'll include a little video for people to watch while they're answering the question, but the question is not about the video. I just want to show you how to do it. So you'll insert video. You can have the link already or look for a video by writing the name of your animal right here. So I'll click on this one. So I have one, the video. However, when people will be watching my video, I don't want them to be able to hear the sound. So when I click on my video, I have a little format option window that appears. I'll go here and I'll mute the sound. I just want them to see the little fox walking while they're answering the question, but I don't want them to hear the sound. If you wanted to, my video is 3 minutes long, so it's pretty long. So if I wanted to, I could just say, okay, I'd like this video not to last more than 1 minute. So I can decide that it starts at 0 and it ends at 1 minute. So this way, when people enter my slide, the video will not play more than 1 minute. So that's one thing that's interesting to know. My question will be, how long is a fennel fox? So a fennec fox, sorry. And you remember that my answer is on the previous slide. Also, I'd like to have the same font I'd chosen before. And maybe I want to put it more in the middle. So I'll click on the three little dots right here and choose the center alignment. There you go. And here I can write your answer here so your partner knows where to write the answer. And I'll put it in the same font. There you go. So we have one question. For this task, you need to do 2 questions. But because this slide will be exactly the same format, I'll come and click on this slide here. If you click on the right button, you right click on your mouse, you have the option to duplicate slide. So now the 2 slides are the same. You can just go and change the question for the second one. So where does the fennec fox live, which is also in my slide 3, information in my slide 3. I'll change the video so I can put another. Insert video. This one's cute. It's got a little playing with a little ball, so I put it here. Once again, if I click on the video, I'll have the options here to mute the audio and to change the time I want the video to play. There you go. So this is done. Your PowerPoint, not your. So this is done. Your Google Slides is ready to share with your teammate. So when you're ready to share, you will click on the little blue button right here. Share it like this. And what you have to do is come here and write the email address of the person you come right here and you write the email address of the person you want to share it with. In my case, it's my colleague Jenny. So I'll find her email because it's from the school service center. There you go. And you see, Jenny, I allow her to edit my document. You have 3 options, but you really want the editor option because otherwise they won't be able to answer your question. Here, so I can write, and here is my presentation on my favorite animal. Send. So Janie will receive my document, and when your partner shares your document with you, you can watch and read all their presentation, and when you arrive at their question, you'll have the space right here to answer their questions. So hopefully that was helpful for you. Don't hesitate to rewatch parts of this video when you are doing your activity. Goodbye.